Hey, Tone Coin lovers, Time Tone Coins here. Now, today we have a beautiful coin. First, I must say, I love Tone Coins, especially any product that is produced by the U.S. Mint. Um, and then you add anything that has been toned through time. I'm just a big fan. So, these come in mint sets. These P and D tokens. Mint set consists of a Philadelphia Mint and a Denver Mint coinage set. Now, I can't tell you how many thousands of these, I've discarded in the trash, and how many millions are thrown away each year because they're viewed as worthless. But again, when I see some beautiful natural toning on it, I just, I can't watch that be thrown away or know that it's being thrown away. So, this is an uncirculated Denver token. I would call it a token because it's not currency. But you can see that natural, beautiful lavender and rich gold toning and that deep red copper toning. And every couple thousand mint sets you go through, you will see some beautifully naturally toned coins that have toned in the package. So, a little special opening right here. Been staring at this coin for a while. And what's really cool about mint sets, like for example the 1996 mint set, they throw in a special West Point dime. So a lot of dealers, they'll get an order for just the $50, and they'll have to cut open all the mint sets and then tube the rest of the product, put on their shelves in the vault, just for one coin. So let's see here. We got this beautifully natural, uncirculated product that is naturally toned from the U.S. Mint. I mean, would you look at that? Just a beautiful, try to get the right lighting on this. Look at that original mint luster. Manufactured just like a U.S. penny. So, when you have the toned coin fever, you have it for all the products, especially that come out of the U.S. Mint. So I wanted to share this with everybody, and a lot of people would view this as, just something to discard and, throw away. But I'm not throwing that away. That is beautiful. Well, if you like tone coins, we have many, many more to come. I appreciate everybody who's subscribed, who's leaving comments. That's awesome. Thanks for watching.